Today is a great day to review all about even numbers. Do you still remember the different even numbers? Do you still remember the secret clues that Teacher Reg taught you yesterday? Let's have a short review.
Even numbers are numbers that can be divided or grouped into two equal parts. Let me explain further. Let's take a look at this one. How many red circles are there? There is one. If I put one red circle in the blue group and nothing in the green group, do you think they are equal groups? Of course not. So we can say 1 is not an even number because you cannot divide it equally into two parts or two groups, just like this. How many red circles are there? 2 red circles. If I put one red circle in the blue group and one red circle in the green group, are they equal? What do you think? Yes, they are equal because there's one in the blue group and one in the green group. So we can say number 2 is an even number because we can divide it equally into two parts or two groups. How about this? We have 3 red circles. Do you think it's even or not even? What do you think? What is your answer? Look carefully at the two groups. Is 3 even or not? 3 is not an even number because you cannot divide it equally. This time we have 4 red circles. Do you think number 4 is an even number or not? Look carefully at each group. Blue group has 2, green group also has 2. So we can say 4 is an even number because we can divide it equally. Let's have a recap. 1 is not an even number, 2 is an even number, 3 is not an even number, 4 is an even number. Numbers 2 and 4 are even numbers. Let us continue. This time I have 5 red circles. Do you think number 5 is an even number? Or is it not an even number? What is your guess? Looking at our representation, in the blue group we have 3 red circles, while in the green group we have 2 red circles. We can say that number 5 is not an even number because we cannot divide it equally into two parts or two groups. Next, we have 6 red circles. Is number 6 even or is number 6 not an even number? Look carefully. In the blue group, we have 3 red circles. In the green group, we also have 3 red circles. We can say that number 6 is an even number because we can divide it equally into two parts or two groups. Do you think number 7 is an even number or not? We can say that number 7 is not an even number. How about number 8? Do you think the number 8 is an even number or not an even number? Looking at the representation, we can say that number 8 is an even number because blue and green group has the same number of red circles. How about the number 9? Is number 9 even or not? Let's try to divide the 9 red circles into 2 equal parts. As you can see, the blue group has 5 red circles while the green group has 4 red circles. Are they equal? Of course not. So we can say that number 9 is not an even number. How about if there are no red circles? It means the number is 0. Is 0 an even number or not? So if 0, it means there's nothing in the blue group and there's nothing in the green group, which tells us that it's the same. So we can say that 0 is an even number.
Let's have a review. We have learned that some numbers are even and some are not. Numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are all even numbers, while numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are not even numbers. I hope you will remember that, K2.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!